Hello, my name is Jonathan Auerbach. I'm a licensed reverse mortgage specialist with Monarch Capital Home Loans. We are a direct lender located in Aliso Viejo, California, and this is a brief presentation regarding the reverse mortgage. The reverse mortgage is for homeowners 62 or older. It can be taken out on their primary residence only, and it allows for the homeowner to convert a portion of their equity into a liquid asset. Ownership remains with the client 100%, and upon your passing, your will or trust is honored, and your heirs will receive your home. There are never any required monthly payments. However, all liens, mortgages, and judgments that are on title must be paid. We must have clear title at the end of the reverse mortgage transaction. On the left, you'll see a couple sitting on the couch, and the gentleman saying, "I'm just saying, if our income is fixed, how come we're broke?" The middle one is a woman saying, "I'm going to retire and live off my savings. What I'll do the second week, I have no idea." And then on the right, you'll see a typical break room, and the two employees are discussing, "Ed's updating our retirement plan, crossing out first 55, 65, 75, and hopefully be able to retire at 85. The reverse mortgage is insured by the Federal Housing Administration, or more commonly known as FHA. They are the government entity that establishes the guidelines, the regulations, the percentages that you're eligible for, and the rates that you qualify on. It will not affect any Social Security, Medicare, or pension that you are receiving, and the client or the heirs can never owe more than the home is worth at any time. The client can vacation, travel, go into a nursing home temporarily, and as long as the taxes and the insurance are paid, the reverse mortgage stays in place. The client can sell their home at any time. No permission is ever needed, and you're sent a monthly statement to know exactly what your reverse mortgage balance is. That way you can have an idea of what you would like to list your property for. And everything is documented in writing before a client needs to sign any application or documentation. On the left, you'll see a couple discussing, "I finally put something aside for my retirement. I put aside my plans for retirement." And then there's the gentleman with the old carrot hook in front of him saying retirement. Meanwhile, he's chipping away trying to achieve that goal and get that carrot. The qualifications and responsibilities. Starting March 2nd of this year, all clients must document their income. There will be a credit report underwrite and review. However, there's no debt to income ratio or minimum credit score required. However, clients with delinquent, unpaid taxes and insurance in the past 2 years, the underwriter might require impounds be set aside from the reverse mortgage proceeds, or they might be possibly denied or decline the reverse mortgage. Underwriters will begin examining the amount of residual income of clients after the reverse mortgage is put in place. They will also require a monthly budget listing the total income and total expenses. I myself go through the monthly budget with my clients so everybody is on the same page and we can see what the residual income will be after the reverse mortgage is put in place. Their additional requirements are all property taxes and homeowners insurance must be kept current either annually or biannually or however your county or your insurance company bills you, but they always must be kept current. And then there's the basic upkeep or maintenance of the home. That doesn't mean if the lawn's not mowed, FHA is driving by and is require us, the lender, to foreclose on your property. It's simply saying that if there's a hole in your roof, you're going to address that hole. You're not going to leave the home or the hole of the roof be subject to Mother Nature and the elements. Properties and process. Single-family residences, condominiums. However, the homeowners association must be FHA approved. 1 to 4 units, as long as one of the units is your primary residence, and homes located in age-restricted communities are all eligible for the reverse mortgage. However, co-ops, manufactured homes, working farms, or income-producing properties are not eligible for the reverse mortgage. The initial step is to speak with a licensed mortgage originator like myself to make sure that there will be a benefit that will be provided for you with the reverse mortgage. All clients must complete HUD counseling from a HUD-approved counselor, and that list can be provided to you by your licensed reverse mortgage specialist. On the left, you'll see a gentleman on the phone who is a financial advisor saying the bad news is the market threw a wrench into your retirement plans. The good news is you can probably sell the wrench for $10 on eBay. In the middle, you'll see the boss handing a voucher to an employee in his retirement party, and it says that that's not in addition to your pension, that is your pension, and it's a $50 gift voucher. And on the far right, you'll see two gentlemen speaking with the financial advisor and a client, and the financial advisor says, "Have you thought about aging slower? Your 401k is in terrible shape." Program options. Each client's reverse mortgage is customized to meet their specific needs. There is no certain box you have to fit in, and there is no required way of taking the proceeds of your reverse mortgage. The choices are a line of credit with a guaranteed growth rate that currently is over 4%. You can have monthly payments for either your life or a specific period of time. You can also take all the money that you're available to you at closing, or we can make a combination of all three. You take some money at closing, we set up a monthly payment for a certain period of time, and you let the remainder sit on the line of credit. In conclusion, reverse mortgages are for homeowners 62 or older to either eliminate a monthly mortgage payment, supplement their income, create financial security, live out your dreams, pass on your inheritance while you are still alive to your heirs, or individual needs or goals of clients are always met. As I mentioned, I do customize each reverse mortgage to meet the client's specific needs. If you're interested in learning more about the reverse mortgage, I recommend you watch the other two presentations to get a more in-depth understanding of the program, or simply call or email me to discuss your scenario and have all of your questions answered. Once again, my name is Jonathan Auerbach with Monarch Capital Home Loans. Hopefully this presentation was helpful to you, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.